Hey guys, so back in the garage today, and in my last video you saw that I diagnosed the problem that I had with my starter. It's getting old and it's starting to get a little faulty and seizing up on me. It's left me stranded a few times, so finally got a nice day in the garage, so I'm going to change that out. Okay, so my truck's lifted, so I already have a lot of clearance down there, but I just jacked the front up a little extra, give me a little more room. Now, if you weren't here for the last video, you're going to want to slide under your truck just behind the front axle here on the driver's side. And if you look just behind the axle, follow up where that coupler is, almost straight up, you can see a little guard behind the exhaust here. That's where the starter is. So we can see just behind that cable, that round thing, is the starter. So we're gonna have to remove this guard, like a little heat shield, and then we'll get at the starter. Okay, so we've got that starter out, and here it is next to the old one. We can see here there's definitely some damage to the starter. There's some rust and debris in there, and when it first came off there was a flake of something that looked like a leaf that came out of there. We can see there's a lot of rust around the body here, so it was definitely time to change this. You can see a lot of corrosion on the connectors. So let's get this new one in. Okay, so we've got that new starter installed, so let's give it a shot. So first I'll put the key on. There we go. Starts like a charm. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I'll see you in the next one.